UG, $2.19. We have not covered this stock before. Looking back into the past here, trying to get an idea of these gaps. You guys, one thing I will point out is looking back here. I mean, I mean, it's pretty obvious, especially since this big run here. This was way back here in 2013. Big move here, all the way up and just been downtrending since and started turning around here. As of right here, it started stabilizing out. Let me go ahead and put some support lines in here. Down here, this is where it started turning around. We could see that happen right here at the 92 cent, came back down to it, tapped it again, and started making its way through there. Had that confirmation right over here. When you broke through those simple day moving averages, I really wish that we would have been following this one when we broke through here, especially on March 16th. Would have been a great day to follow this one when you guys broke through. Anyways, you guys came back down on April 4th, touched that 20-day simple moving average. Usually when you come down to the 20-day simple moving average, you watch for a bounce off of it, not necessarily a slingshot off of it, which was what we've seen here. Coming off that 20-day simple moving average, massive move here. There is going to be a large gap here. I am going to just note it. It's pretty obvious, but when you're trading at stocks like this, in the dollar range like this, sometimes they just never fill. Okay, I mean, you look at big stocks such as Amazon. I mean, that's a huge comparability to this one. That is a huge, not even on the same page, but I'm just using it as an example. You look at Amazon and stocks like that up there, Ford, Apple, you don't see gaps fill. All right, those are traded much different, and that's what happens when you get to the dollar. So it might not even fill, in my personal opinion. So either way, looks like that $2 mark is going to be a big support line right here. You guys blew past that. If you guys break that $2 range, you guys will go back down to this $1.70 fairly quick, in my personal opinion. We're going to be looking at a resistance level here as well at the 225, which we can put right there on the book, and then 240 following up off of that, which we've tapped here a few times in the recent days. You guys can see that up here. I can move that one up just slightly more. That'll put you right there at the 240. That's what we're gonna be watching for. You guys are trading in there. That break of the 240 would definitely send this thing much higher, in my opinion. If you guys break the $1.70 could come quick, and then followed up by the 20-day simple moving average at the $1.46 area would follow as well off of that. So that's going to give you guys some general areas what to watch for. And again, we'll see what Joe has to say with this one. He said that there was some news he wanted to cover.
All right, so yeah, I was just pulling it all up because it seems interesting, intriguing. All right, so I pulled up this, what is this one right here? EK Definitive 14A. All right, so on April 4th, 2017, Plug Power Incorporated and Amazon.com Incorporated entered into a transaction agreement pursuant to which the company agreed to issue to Amazon.com, NV Investment Holdings LLC, a wholly owned subsidiary of Amazon, a warrant to acquire up to 55,286,696 shares of the company's common stock, par value 0.01 per share, subject to certain vesting events described below. The company and Amazon entered into the transaction agreement in connection with existing commercial agreements between the company and Amazon with respect to the development of the company's GenKey fuel cell technology and Amazon distribution centers. The existing commercial agreements contemplate future purchase orders for the company's fuel cell technology. The vesting of the warrant shares described below is linked to payments made by Amazon or its affiliates directly or indirectly through third parties pursuant to existing commercial agreements. All right. Payment up to 600. All right, so the warrant shares will vest based on Amazon's payment of up to $600 million to the company in connection with Amazon's purchase of goods and services from the company. The first tranche of 5,819,652 warrant shares vested upon the execution of the warrant and other transaction documents. The second tranche of 29,098,268 warrant shares will vest in 4 installments of 7,274,000 565 warrant shares each time Amazon or its affiliates directly or indirectly through third parties make an aggregate of 50 million in payments to the company, up to payments totaling 200 million in the aggregate. The exercise price of the first and second tranche warrants. So that's all of that right there. It's will be $1.18 $1.18 per share after Amazon has made payments to the company totaling 200 million. The third tranche of 368,784 warrant shares will be vested in 8 installments. So that's basically just talking about how it goes up to totaling 400 million in the aggregate. I mean, that's a lot of different things. So, you know what? I wanted to know more about it. So I went over to this one right here. It's if you're over with the filings and you click on the definitive 14A and you go to the HTML one, that's where I'm at. I pulled up, there's the CEO was over here. They had a conference call. So the conference call is like business descriptions all here, like basically everything he said, the write up of it. So let's see. He said the deal consists of 3 parts: an opportunity for Amazon, which is, Amazon.com, to own up to 20% of Plug Power based on shipments totaling 600 million US. And over the next 9 months, they will be purchasing 70 million of products and services from Plug Power. And finally, probably what excites me the most is the technology collaboration between agreement to leverage Plug Power's ProGen fuel cell engines. If you'll recall, ProGen engines are module fuel cells designed to be applied in a variety of applications. For example, this month Plug Power is shipping to a Chinese vehicle supplier for qualifications in an industrial delivery. So industrial delivery van, the 30 kilowatt ProGen engine. Over the next 12 months, we'll expect to ship 500 of these ProGen engines for that application. But moving back to Amazon, the engagement to Amazon really became active in the second quarter of 2016. Not that we haven't been trying for many years before that to sell to Amazon, but that resulted in Plug deploying the first full-turn Gen Key solutions in the fourth quarter with them. We were able to complete the installations in 8 weeks, demonstrating to Amazon our ability to move at their speed while delivering a quality product that makes it easier to move goods in facilities. This led to a broader agreement that we are discussing today. So I mean, this agreement right here, I definitely go. I'll post a link into the streamer over here, but I'd recommend you guys go and take it up and read it and everything else, because I mean, not every day you find a company that sits there and has this kind of relationship with Amazon in regards to their delivering, products and everything else. So that's pretty big. So that's that. So I posted it right over there. All right, so if you have an opinion on the company or you're looking to do more due diligence, just go right over to that PLUG board on Investors Hangout, and from there you'll see the all the information basically right at your fingertips, with the company profile, the time it sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy ratings. And as always, definitely if you have an opinion, share it on that message board with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily.
That's right. And again, I put that over here, right here. This time and sales that Joe just mentioned is a very, very powerful tool. So if you're just researching this stock and you want to see how it's been trading, breaking it down by trades and time, literally to the second, in the volume, in the price, all right here available, completely free on Investors Hangout. Back to the chart again. You guys currently at 219. I said 220. Watch it break at 240. This will go much higher. It's got that resistance level up here at that 240. A break at $2 will $1.70 will come quick. All right, so that's going to be your support level down here at that 2. You guys break it. There is not much between there, which is why I said that you guys could bring it back down to that 10-day simple moving average. Resistance is going to be at that 225 and 240. Support at $2, $1.70, and $1.46 on the simple day moving averages right there that we see. That was pretty, a lot of information that Joe just shared. So make sure that if you feel that this video helped you, hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with this stock and all the other hot stocks that we cover. We would appreciate it very much. Get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks and different stock message boards and stock forums. It'd be great. If you have a hot stock that you would like to share with us and have us take a look at in live time like we're doing right here, let us know about it over at investorshangout.com/live.